Are you tired of applying in various companies for your job application and not getting a revert from any employer? Do not worry, I have got you covered. Watch this video till the end and it is definitely going to improve your chances of getting a call from an employer for your job interview. Today I'll be talking about one of the most important documents which most of the candidates do not attach in their job application. That is a cover letter. Today in this video, I'll be talking about the importance of a cover letter and what is a cover letter. We will also touch upon the topic on how to write a cover letter. So a cover letter is more of a personalized way of writing a document, your first initial introduction to the hiring manager, as compared to a resume. A resume only talks about your facts. It speaks about your work experience and it talks about your educational qualification. Wherein a cover letter is more personalized way of you connecting with the hiring manager. It's a personalized way of you introducing yourself, your first connect with the hiring manager. In the cover letter, you are free to write about your skill set, about your passion. You can introduce yourself as who you are, what you do, and it definitely gives you an edge over others. Gone are the days when you could just submit a resume and get a call for the job interview. Imagine a hiring manager getting n number of resumes for one job. How do you stand out of the crowd? A cover letter is going to make you stand out of the crowd. How you should write a cover letter now? A cover letter is a one-page document which is precise and crisp, which speaks about who you are, what you do, what are you going to bring on the table if you will be hired by that company. As I said, it's a personalized letter or a document to the hiring manager. So there is no set format that anybody can tell you for a cover letter. A cover letter changes from job to job and from company to company. But yes, a cover letter has to be visually organized and well written. You have to follow the same format when you write the cover letter. Second, who are you addressing the cover letter to? Please refrain and do not use words like to whom it may ever concern. You should always address the cover letter by the name of the hiring manager. If the name of the hiring manager is mentioned in the job vacant, please address it by Dear Miss Smith or Dear Mr. Smith. Or if the name of the hiring manager is not mentioned in the job application, make sure you write Dear Hiring Manager or Dear Recruiting Manager. That is going to create that impact when you begin writing your cover letter. Now, how to start your cover letter? For example, you're a sales professional. You should be starting your cover letter by saying, as an experienced sales professional into this field from past 15 years, achieving my targets month on month, I would bring the same zeal and passion to your company if given the chance to work for the job vacant. Then you start talking about your skill set and you start talking about the company. Make sure when you write the cover letter, before that, you go through the company's website. You're well aware about what the company is, what the job vacant asks you for, what are the job responsibilities. Try to create a cover letter around those jobs and duties and the responsibilities that they're looking for. Make your skill set work around the job requirement. For example, when you write, I have great problem solving skills, or I am a person with amazing problem solving skills. That is not what you should write. Everybody would be writing that in their resumes or maybe in their cover letter. You should be standing out by writing, giving an example. How do you have those skills? This is your chance to tell the hiring manager that you're not just talking about these skills like a layman. These skills you actually possess because you have done something in your current organization or through your work experience. So give an example. Relate that work experience example with your problem solving skill and how it is going to benefit the current job requirement. Now let's talk about using the adjectives, your skill set. For example, instead of writing I am a creative person and I can use my creativity, you should write I am an imaginative person. Using different words like I can achieve my sales target because I'm determined. Instead of writing I'm determined to achieve my sales target, you should be writing a word I'm tenacious towards achieving my sales target. So these little changes in the words make you different and give you an edge over the other applications in the for that job vacant. So these are the small things that you have to take care of when you're writing a cover letter. As I said, the cover letter has to be visually organized, and it is your chance to connect with the hiring manager and engaging with the hiring manager for the very first time. Hope this video is of a help for you, and for more such insights on how to get your job and on life in Canada, please subscribe to our channel and also follow us on our Facebook page, that is Landmark Immigration. Thank you so much for watching.